What is going on today, guys? Today we are getting a photo shoot of my car from a guy who messaged me on Instagram saying he was interested in shooting my car. So, we're gonna do that. We are getting kind of close. It's, I think, in this warehouse back here, like this area. Of course, as soon as I start recording, Google has decided that having navigation is too good. Whoa. People had fun back here. Wow. I'm just hoping this weather holds up long enough for this shoot to get done. Should take only about a half hour, and then I'm gonna clear out of here probably. This little road right here that we came in on, it's part of the test drive loop that my mom and I always take whenever we test drive stuff. It's so much fun. Cool.
Well, I'm Sam.
Hayden.
What's up?
Nice to meet you. Now I can kill it. Cold air intake, and then just spray painted some of the stuff on it to color match the car.
Nice.
Yep.
A lot better without the black stuff.
Oh yeah, it's much cleaner.
First mini I've ever taken pictures of.
They're a ton of fun. Just some of the angles can get weird with the reflections.
Yeah, the cloudy.
Yeah. So we've got the engine stuff, and then a John Cooper Works exhaust as well.
Yeah, it sounded good.
Thank you. Move it over to in front of these black doors. Birds are going crazy. Kind of looks like the clouds are rolling in. I'm hoping they don't stay a bit, like, just stay back that way just for long enough that it doesn't storm. Okay, do that. Pull my car like closer here so I can get a wider shot, like right there. Cool. Gotta get down now, get shot. Sun's wanting to peek out, but sometimes it's wanting to hide behind this cloud. Oh, here it comes. Check this out. It's 100% necessary, regardless of what anybody else says. actually really cool. I'm excited to see those pictures. Check my Instagram for more of them, because that's where they're going to be posted. Also, go follow Sam. He has some really good shots. Like, his stuff is good. But yeah, until next time. Oh, I forgot to ask you. My question for you guys today: have you ever done like a professional? I think I've already asked that one before. Have you ever had someone else? That's the same question. I'll have a question because both of them are questions I've asked before. So, until next time, goodbye.